Okay everyone, so let's begin by meeting this morning at the back of our mats in a wide knee child's pose. So the toes are going to be together, the knees apart. Go ahead and walk the fingers forwards and take the forehead down towards your mats. Close down the eyes here if it's comfortable. And take a few deep breaths. Breathing up and down the length of your spine. Welcoming that nice stretch through your back, your hips and your shoulders. And if it feels comfortable, maybe go ahead and find a little bit of a sway side to side. So the arms are active here, the fingertips are crawling away, the elbows are lifted. Finding this little bit of movement. Good, and then eventually we'll come back into center and let's pick ourselves up into our tabletop. Onto the hands and the knees. We'll take a few rounds of cat-cow. So inhale as we drop the belly, point the tailbone up and look forwards. Exhale as we tuck the chin to the chest, round the spine. Inhale, look forwards, drop the belly. Exhale the chin to the chest, spine to the sky. Just taking a few rounds of these in your own time. Just letting go of any tension through the back that we may have built up throughout the night. Allowing your body to begin to find a little bit of easy movement here. And then we can either stick with these cat-cows, or if it feels better, we can bring the toes together, open the knees a little wider, and start to make some big circles with the entire body. So we're dropping the bum back towards the heels, and then shifting the weight forwards over the wrists. Continuing to breathe deeply. Again, just welcoming this nice, easy movement through your body. Good, go ahead and switch the directions. Take a few big circles the other way. Good, and then eventually come back into center. We're going to bring ourselves down onto the belly and meet in our Sphinx pose. So we want the elbows underneath the shoulders, palms of the hands on the floor, and we're lifting the chest up, gazing forwards. Taking a few deep breaths here, allowing the feet and the legs to relax. Shoulders back, the chest is lifted. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. We can stay right here, or if it feels good, we can tuck the chin into the chest. Maybe find a few little half neck circles side to side. Good. Eventually we'll come back in to center. We can lift the gaze forwards and then go ahead and lower your chest to the floor. Slide the hands back, maybe beside your ribs, and let's roll over the knees, tuck the toes under and find your first downward facing dog. Good, and maybe we want to pedal out the feet. So we can start to bend each knee at a time, just walking out any tightness or stiffness from the backs of the legs. Good, and then eventually take a deep bend through both knees, look towards your hands and take as many steps as you can all the way to the top of your mat. Find your forward fold here. Feet are hip distance apart. Go ahead and take hold of opposite elbows and find a little sway side to side. We want to keep a nice bend through the knees. And then eventually come to stillness, release the elbows and roll yourself all the way up, coming in to standing. Good, take a nice deep breath in at the top as we reach the hands up to the sky, look up. Exhale your hands down through heart center. And again, deep breath in, sweep the hands up to the sky, palms pressed together. Exhale, hands through your heart. Good, third and final time, deep breath in, look up, palms together. Exhale, hands through center, deep bend through the knees and come down through a forward fold. Go ahead and plant the hands to the floor and step both feet back into your plank. So the hands are pressing into the mat. Let's find a little bit of a rock forwards and back. Just starting to waken up the arms, the core muscles. Good, and then eventually drop the knees back to the floor. Once again, bring the toes together, the knees nice and wide. And inhale as we lift the right arm up to the sky. Twisting towards the right hand side. We can hold it here, breathing into that shoulder blade, or we can start to find a few big circles with the arm. Nice, eventually that right hand comes back to the floor, and let's switch straight to the other side. Inhale as we lift the left arm up to the sky. Finding a slight little lean back, we're open through the chest. And we can stay here, or we can start to take those big circles with the left arm. Good, eventually letting that left hand come back to the floor and sitting the bum back on the heels. Good, coming to sit with a nice tall spine. Inhale as we reach the hands up to the sky. Exhale, drop the right hand, reach the left arm over. Breathing into the left hand side of your body here. Inhale and exhale. Good, come back through center, inhale at the top and exhale to drop the left hand, reach the right arm over. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Nice, up through center, inhale at the top. Exhale as we twist towards the right. So the right hand comes out behind your low back. The left hand comes to the outside of your right thigh. We drop the shoulders. We're twisting from our center. On your next inhale, bring everything back through center. And exhale as we twist to the left. Last inhale, back through center, lift those hands up and exhale your hands to your heart. And namaste, everyone. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope this has given you a little bit of movement, a little bit of energy that we need for the rest of the day. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you would like to see more from me, please subscribe and have a fantastic rest of your day. Namaste.